Today we will be doing exercise 1 in a way that is very fast and accurate. If you want to get full marks for exercise 1, please watch until the end. Welcome to English Step by Step. My name is Miss Wee. Today we will be doing the May-June 2024 Paper 1-1. And this is the Cambridge IGCSE English as a Second Language, Paper 1, Reading and Writing. So this is exercise 1, as it says here. So first, read any instructions, heading, any subheadings, or bylines. So here we have read the blog written by a teenager called Lana Bridges about her hobby, and then answer the questions. So her hobby is cosplaying, and this is written by Lana Bridges. We will not read the passage first, but if you want to skim, you can. You can read the first sentence of every paragraph and just get the gist of it. So here you know that Lana is very interested in cosplaying. And here she will explain what cosplaying is. In this paragraph, she will probably be talking about the different genres. And this paragraph will be about the competitions. This paragraph about the costumes. And here probably about making money. Next, we're going to look at the questions before we read the passage in more detail. So I want you to pay attention to the question words. So we have when, what, and how. Now, why do we want to pay attention to the question words? It will tell us what kind of words we are looking for, so it will be a lot faster when we are scanning for the answers. So when would indicate time. So when I'm looking for the answer, this will help me. What indicates that I should be looking for a noun. What, again, noun, and again. How would imply that I should look for some sort of verb, and again here. We also want to look at keywords in the question. So here we have when was the term cosplay invented. So these are the keywords. So invented is a keyword. And here, what type of cosplay does Lana prefer? So these are the keywords. What is the most famous cosplay contest called? So I have the keywords here in green. And here, what type of character is Lana planning to be next in cosplay? So I've got character and next as my keywords. How would Lana like to make money from cosplay in the future? So keywords make money and future, and I already know that this is from the last paragraph from my skimming. How has Lana benefited from doing cosplay? So the keyword here is benefited. You should give 3 details because there are 3 marks for this question, and this is the most challenging question of all. So why do I want to highlight the keywords? It's because it will give me some indication of what I'm looking for. So this indicates that I'm probably going to be looking for a year. So these keywords hint at some genre of cosplay that I should be looking for. And in question 3, we have the most famous cosplay contest called. So there's a name for it. So I would be looking for a proper noun. The way to look for proper nouns is to look for capital letters. In question 4, the keywords are character and next. So what type of character? What type of character indicates that it will be some sort of category. In question 5, the keywords are make money and future. So I will be looking for these things. And in question 6, I will be looking for benefits. I don't have further clues from here, unfortunately. Now, these words in green, year, genre, capital letters, category, this is what I call predictive thinking. So we are predicting what we are looking for so that when we are looking for these things, it becomes a lot easier, faster, and also more accurate. So let's try the questions. Let's start with question 1. When was the term cosplay invented? So we are looking for a year and we are looking for a synonym of invented. So if I scan, I will see the word created, which is the synonym of the word invented. And here immediately I can see the year 1984. That's my answer, 1984. Now let's carry on to question 2. So question 2 says, what type of cosplay does Lana prefer? So let's look for the paraphrase of Lana prefer. So here it says, I would choose before anything else. So that's another way of saying that she prefers it. Immediately, I can see that there is a genre here. Fantasy is what I would choose before anything else. So that's the genre. And so your answer is fantasy. So let's go on to question 3. What is the most famous cosplay contest called? So I want to look for the synonym of most famous. And here it is, best known of all. And then I want to look for a proper noun that begins with capital letters. And here it is again, World Cosplay Summit. So that's my answer, World Cosplay Summit. As you can see so far, the answer in red is usually in the same sentence as the keywords. Here again, the answer in red is in the same sentence as the keyword. And again here. The other thing to notice is that the answers come in order. So you always have number 1 first, and number 2 will always be below number 1. And number 3 will be below number 2. The only question that is not in the right order is the last one, as I will show you later. Now let's carry on. Next, we have question 4. What type of character is Lana planning to be next in cosplay? So I will be looking for a category, and I'm also looking for these keywords here. So I see range of characters, which means the same as type of character. And as for the word next, I can see it says what I'm preparing for now. The answer is non-human role. So that's a category. For this particular answer, you can see that it is not in the same sentence as the first keyword, but it is in the second one. I have my answer here, non-human role. Now let's do question 5. How would Lana like to make money from cosplay in the future? So I know that I'm looking for a verb. I'm also looking for these keywords. So here we are, make money again. Those are the exact same words, not synonyms. And my plan, that's the same as saying the future. And the answer is here, taking photographs is my plan. So again, the answer is in the same sentence as the second keyword. So here I have the answer, is taking photographs. Okay, question 6 is the most challenging one. And you will see that the answer is from everywhere. So the benefit of doing cosplay is she has made so many friends, gained confidence, become much more creative, and learned to sew. I want you to notice that I was looking for verbs, and here they are: made, gained, become, and learned. And the same for question 5. Taking is a verb. So here I have the answers: made friends, gained confidence, become more creative, learned to sew. You don't need to give 4. There are only 3 marks here, and it says give 3 details, so you only need to give 3. So this is what I mentioned before. Answers 1 to 5 are in order, and there is usually one answer in each paragraph. Not always, but usually. So you can see that the answer to question 1 is from this paragraph. The answer to question 2 is from the next paragraph. So question 3 is from this paragraph, question 4 from this paragraph, and question 5 from the last paragraph. Another thing I want you to notice is that it's very important to know the synonyms of words. And I have made a video on synonyms. I will put a link up here. Please do go and check it out. I hope that you have found this useful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more video lessons like this one. I have many more video lessons. Make sure that you check them out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. And for tutoring, you can contact me here. Thank you.